And now can I invite up Israfil and Abdul Malik?
Rizwan should do the match with somebody who is 9 years of age.
3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Okay, Abdul Malik is the winner.
And
Now can I have the B team? Hamza and
Rizwan,
Zafar.
how old are you, Abdul Malik? What is your age? 10. And he? 9. Acha. You should do the wrestling with him. So both of you. No, you and you. Yes, 9. No, not you. These two. They are of the same age, no?
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
Okay. Now the B team. Can I have Hamza and Zafar? Three, 2, 1, go. And Hamza is the winner. Now can I have Abdul Qudus and Sharif? Three, 2, 1, go. Okay.
Where are you from? From Ghana? And he? Ghana. You are Ashanti? Huh? You are, which part of Ghana you are? Huh? You are Fanti? And he is Wala? You are Wala? Acha.
Okay, now can I have the 2 winners from the A team? It's the final for the A team.
No, but the winner was that boy. A and B team?
No, it's because the A team has 9 and 10-year-olds and the B team has 11 and 12-year-olds.
Acha.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
He's too young, yes.
Okay, Abdul Malik is the winner for the A team. Now the B team finalists. Three, 2, 1, go. Okay, and Sharif is the winner for the B team. That's the end of the
तुम थक
competition.
गए थे? तुमने जोर ही नहीं लगाया? हैं? थक गए थे तुम? जिसके साथ किया उसके साथ किया तो उसने भी तो किया.
Okay, that's the end of the competition.